now? Where'd you go? You left me here so unexpected. You changed my life, I hope you know. 'Cause now I'm lost, so unprotected. In the blink of an eye, I never got to say goodbye. Like a shooting star, flying across the room, so fast, so far. You were gone too soon. You're part of me, and I'll never be the same here without you. You were gone too soon. You were always there, like a shining light. On my darkest days, you were there to guide me. Oh, I miss you now. I wish you could see just how much your memory will always mean to me. In the blink of an eye, I never got to say goodbye. Like a shooting star, flying across the room, so fast, so far. You were gone too soon. You're part of me, and I'll never be the same here without you. You were gone too soon. Shine on, onto a better place. We'll never be the same. Like a shooting star, flying across the room, so fast, so far. You were gone too soon. You're part of me, and I'll never be the same here without you. You were gone too soon. You were gone too soon. You were gone too soon. You were gone too soon.
It's been a minute since I called you, just to hear the answer phone. Yeah, I know that you won't get this, but I'll leave a message so I'm not alone. This morning I woke up still dreaming, with memories playing through my head. You'll never know how much I miss you. The day that they took you, I wish it was me instead. But you once told me, don't give up, you can do it day by day. And diamonds, they don't turn to dust or fade away. So I will keep you day and night, here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I will be the best of me, always keep you next to me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. Even when I'm on my own, I know I won't be alone. Tattooed on my heart are the words of your favorite song. I know you'll be looking down, swear I'm gonna make you proud. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I can feel your blood run through me, you're written in my DNA. Looking back in every mirror, I know you'll be waiting, I'll see you again. But you once told me, don't give up, you can do it day by day. And diamonds, they don't turn to dust or fade away, fade away. So I will keep you day and night, here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I will be the best of me, always keep you next to me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. Even when I'm on my own, I So all of this is all for you. Oh, I swear to God you're living through everything I'll ever do. So I will keep you day and night, here until the day I die. I'll be living one life for the two of us. I will be the best of me, always keep you next to me. I'll be living one life for the two of us. Even when I'm on my own, I know I won't be alone. Tattooed on my heart are the words of your favorite song. I know you'll be looking down, swear I'm gonna make you proud. I'll be living one life for the two of us. One life for the two of us. I'll be living one life for the two of us. We'll end just like we started, just you and me and no one else. I will hold you where my heart is. One life for the two of us.
This time, this place, misused, mistakes, too long, too late. Who was I to make you wait? Just one chance, just one breath, just in case there's just one left. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. On my knees, I'll ask, last chance for one last dance. 'Cause with you, I'd withstand all of illusion. I'd give it all, I'd give for us, give anything, but I won't give up. 'Cause you know, you know, you know I love you. I loved you all along. I miss you. Been far away for far too long. I keep dreaming you'll be with me, and you never go. Stop breathing if I don't see you anymore. So far away, so far away, but far away for far too long. So far away, so far away, but far away for far too long. But you know, you know, you know I want it. I want you to stay, 'cause I need it. I need to hear you say that I love you. I've loved you all along, and I forgive you for being away for far too long. So keep breathing, 'cause I'm not leaving you anymore. Believe it, hold on to me, never let me go. Keep
you so much. Your light, your smile, your way, and everything about us. Though you're gone, you're still here in my heart, in my tears. Yeah, you sure left your mark, and we were just getting started. It wasn't long enough, it wasn't long enough together, but it was long enough, yeah, it was long enough to last forever. Sometimes I get so mad, I scream, I swear at this, 'cause this isn't how we planned it. I sit here in a cold room, praying, waiting on you to run back through that door to the way it was before you left. It wasn't long enough, it wasn't long enough together, but it was long enough, yeah, it was long enough to last forever. Been cheated, defeated, can't believe that you're gone. Oh, it was wrong. It wasn't long enough. It wasn't long enough. It wasn't long enough. No, it wasn't long enough. It wasn't long enough together, but it was long enough. Yeah, it was long enough to last, to last, to last forever.
My name is Spencer Lowe. I'm from Spencer Lowe Racing. I'm an off-road racer. That's my basic forte, we'll call it.
I get more satisfaction out of it than I do a thrill seeker. Being successful at a race, being successful at the end of a season, winning a championship.
Lowe says you drive hard and fast, but you temper it with common sense.
Spencer Lowe is one of the best in off-road racing. He has driven his Class 7S Nissan hardbody to victories in a number of off-road desert races.
Spencer Lowe has been racing since 1966.
I don't necessarily have to win. I just like to race hard, and you have to finish first in order to finish first.
Here's Spencer Lowe coming into the pits. It's been a big season for Lowe. He started 5 times in desert races this season, won 3 of them, and finished second in the other 2.
I pre-run the course with Spencer.
Kathy works at the dealership and is Spencer's fiancée.
Lowe has been involved in off-road racing for 25 years, and if today's younger drivers think that they have the edge on the old veteran, they better think again.
I think Ivan Stewart said it best, and he said that I'm maybe twice as old as the other guys, but I have to go twice as fast.